Hey guys, so what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can lock elements and objects on Canva in 2026. So let us get started. So guys, let me navigate to an example design because pages for presentations, it works a little bit different. So let me navigate to that Instagram post here, for example. So instead of right-clicking into the page like you do on presentations, you will need to right-click into the given element. Let me go to that text box here and then navigate to lock, select lock here. And now guys, as you can see, I can't move that shape in the background, that circle here. And I would need to right-click into it again to select unlock, or click into this button here, unlock, just above the locked element. And you can do that also with background images. Right click into it, select lock, and now as you can see I can't do anything with it. I would need to right click into it again to unlock it. Of course you can do that also for several or multiple elements. In this case here guys, right click into one of these objects on your design, select layer and choose show layers. And here what you want to do is left click into each of these layers while having left shift enabled or pressed on your keyboard, and then right click into one of these and select lock, and that is going to lock all layers, which means all elements of your design at the same time. So to unlock these, click into this button at the bottom. That's how it works guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.